Hey everybody, time for another episode of Cooking with the Dogs. We're doing a nice, quick, easy recipe today. It's my cabin stir fry. Going to show just the quick, basic way of prepping it. I've already got the rice on cooking, the burgers on cooking, and I've already diced up the other stuff. So let's get at it. Nice pan of venison burger here. It's cooking up nice. Pretty much ready for everything else to get added. Now for the other ingredients, we've got 3 decent sized jalapeno peppers, and a little over half of a large onion, all sliced up. A full pound of burger is the proper amount to use in this, but that's what I had available right now. And you can use any kind of burger, obviously. Okay, next ingredients, all about the flavor. Some soy sauce. You want that cooked in good with the into the burger. But here we go. We just move her over here off the direct heat a bit. Behind the rice, or well, I guess in front of the rice. Won't be too long until that's ready. Okay, looks like the rice is ready. I'm gonna have to set the camera down here for a second. Okay, there we go. Get her all mixed up good with the rice in here. Sorry, the camera keeps going off to the side here. Okay, a little more soy sauce. Okay, lots more soy sauce. Keep mixing. I've got the little vulture down here sniffing around. The other vulture over here supervising, making sure I cook it properly. Well, everything's in there. Back over to higher heat. And pretty much just let her cook for a few minutes till it's ready. Gotta let the onions and pepper slices saute a bit into the soy sauce. I guess that's kind of like the right word. Gotta cook them. Plain and simple. Definitely gotta keep stirring. Otherwise the rice and burger mixture will burned to the pan. I'm not sure what it is. Noticed, at least for me anyway, maybe I got the stove going a little too much and too hot, but rice likes to stick to cast iron. Okay, we'll let that cook for a few minutes and should be done. Well, it's cooking and getting mixed up quite a bit. It's all done. Best part is, I was thinking cooking a couple burgers tomorrow. That soy sauce flavor is going to be cooked right into that pan now, so thanks a lot everyone for watching. If you decide you want to try the recipe, the very short list of ingredients will be in the description for the video. It turned out pretty nice. Not too bad at all. It is a pretty easy one to do, so it's not like it takes a master chef for it. Yeah, thanks a lot everyone. I'm gonna go have some supper and put up with the dogs and maybe watch some TV. Have a great night, and we'll see you all soon.